Hello YouTube, it's Mark Woods with another video. Just sitting out here chilling. Another nice day. You know, I mean, if this is not practicing safe distance, I don't know what it is. What is practicing safe distance? There is nobody around me. Not even a cop, not even a soul. Streets has just been so empty, y'all. But, I'm here to drop a song by a non-copyright artist. We're going to see how this go. This is a nice cut by this guy. His name is, let's see if we can get it. Hold on. Yeah. His name is Hillgame Entertainment. Gotta be great. So you guys enjoy this song. It's got a nice beat to it, by the way, too. I mean, I never heard of him until I listened to this, though, but I was like, man, I was impressed.
The following program is brought to you in living color.
Still crush it. F1K, what up? D-Mark got that heat. I just wanna be great. Smoking this piss in the face. We got the six in the place. Them niggas know how we play. I'm just out here trying to make a way. I pray I see another day. Bro, I caught up in the system again. I'm praying that he be the case. Keeping the mask and cover my face. Cause I'm so different than Chase. I get the cool nigga play. You can come get you a death for the train. My time here is so temporary. You need me, but I can't stay. Dollar gon' show you the way. I know I'm gon' die either way. I'm the baby chase. Look out of space. When I hit me, you lick, you can't see my face. King, I should eat on the go. You bound but these niggas do. I'm feeling you stressing. You hating on all of my blessings. You thinking I'm looking on flexing, but I just wasn't playing this chess, and I keep playing. It's just the results of that, but I can't compete, cause I don't see no competitors. Came in the game trying to make something better than Gucci with flowers, but treacherous. Smoking on purple with a green. Yeah, my brody big be like the 8. Hey, when we be flowing, it's great. The team be pulling like late. Hey, women like number 8. Jumping off out of the space. Hey, the fools with me in your face. Send a nigga out of space. Hey, hey, you know my soul shine when the lights out. You don't gotta question what I'm about. When I'm in my bag, I'll be zoning out. I don't know why niggas chase clout. Caught him in traffic, he switching routes. He started switching up. Counting this money, I start get paid. I'm in the stew cooking up. And ain't no one stopping us. Ain't no one stopping us. Bitches be topping us, money keep coming, yeah, we get a lot of it. Run down on any nigga that's suspicious, you know that we poppin' shit. Like a country, you know that we stoppin' shit. I'm kinda working and still got a clock and shit. If I go up and I go back to robbing shit. Pass me the Henny, I don't do no vodka, bitch. Pass me that rock, I'm a shit for the win. I ain't have to live this bitch, it's the same. I reached the one and I do it again. Say she down to fuck cause I'm whipping the band. Be done with the crew cause I done with the friends. Thought you was next up, I fucked up your plans. Gossip is blessings, you missing your chance. They tryna kill us cause we do a hand. Like stuck in their jail, turn on my mans. You know I'm plugging this and having man. Don't got no big homie, I'm making commands. This all I do is for a couple bands. Feds come like the sands. Business is booming, we market the brands. Rockstar life, we couldn't plan. We stand on the stage while you stuck in the stands. The crew is too dope and it's evident. You can't make it dope without evidence. Body this beef for the hell of it. Smack it with the shovel and I'll just bury it. Sip out the glass, pour that wine up. I wanna get rich and go to Wakanda. Red rhymes and real marijuana. This world is mine, so I run where I wanna. Smoking the gas, got the pressure. Can't name a native, this fire fresher. Just woke up from an investment. I can't wait to get more bread to invest with. Yeah. Who better? Crew cool as a sweater. 2 shots to a nigga, medulla. Pumping sand, you know I forget it. Rock sand, baby, get a tan. Got the cash, they don't wanna forget it. Niggas be talking about money. Money the cash, I'm the phone credit. And this shit'll ruin your life if you let it. I swear that shit hectic. We out early morning, catch us in the jungle, we looking for breakfast. And we get it poppin' and pouring up drink just like we from Texas. And I'm tryna shoot on my exes. Niggas be talking like that on the night until we pull up the stretch. And we never backing down. You see us, you gon' hear that Falcon sound. We hit your block, he's back around. He said it's smoking, let's get it now. I really know he ain't mad at me now. No, I'ma kill you, put on my crown. I'm shooting at anything with horns.
I hope y'all enjoyed that. That was a nice cut. That was a very nice cut. Can't keep my window straight these days. I mean, it's a real strong mirror, but it just keeps going down. No. I mean, this is a nice day. So let's see if we can check out another copyright artist, a non-copyright artist. I mean, it's a couple of ones that I liked it on here. That was like kind of nice. Let's see if we can find another one. Hold on, guys. Hold on. All right, here come another guy. 2 songs for 1 video. This guy's name is No Way.
I might kill that shit, yeah. I'm in a run, yeah. I'm in a brand new way, yeah. Tell my shit like that, yeah. Call it fancy way, yeah. I'm just gonna go fit, yeah. I'm for that bitch, yeah. I don't know what you do. Oh, I win goals. Hopping on my roads, yeah. Bad bitch on my phone. Running up, I keep it low. Getting money, bro, she never told. These niggas so mad, I'ma go. That money come fast like a hoe. But I cannot find them basic hoes. I said it's funny to make it.
All right, YouTube. Oh man, it was a great day. I mean, I would like to do more music out here though, but you know, I gotta be at work. So you guys have a great one. You know, stay safe. Subscribe for more content and like the video if you like the video. This is Mark Woods. I'm out.